Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Anyone can confirm, uh, am I audible to you or not? Sir, make screen sharing enable. So, please raise your hand if I am audible to you. Okay. Okay, raise down your hand. Many students have not submitted. I am happy that those who have submitted, sir, make enable screen sharing. I'm happy that some people are doing efforts and they are submitting their assignment, but many student, maybe there is 20 to 25 students are attending and 8 to 10 people are active in making assignment. I don't know why they are not doing. I don't know why they are not they are not understanding the class. If they are understanding the class, they should have do this. If they are not understanding the class, they should raise the question. Okay, it's not the way you are not submitting. I will consider your points in exam also, with this assignment. If your assignment is good, I will consider in exam the points, so it will be good for you to give exam. So I was looking just 20 minutes before that how many students have done their work. So I will share the screen and I will see these people who have done. Looking from the down, we can see from the down. A student has done some project on Mother Teresa. It's good. I have told to add about the family tree also. They can add. Some people have add that, and this is okay. And they have done some editing also. Let us zoom it and see. She belongs to religion of Christianity. She was nun in Catholic Church. Okay, we awarded. And why they use life cycle for this? They should have used points. They should not. They should not use the life cycle. If you want to change the go home, love with family first, peace begins with family. So this diagram can be used for other purpose also. Let us see others. We have others also. Let us open this. That was done by the Nikhat. It's good, but you should have used the diagram for other purpose. Aisha Moi's assignment. Let us see the Aisha Moi's assignment. Why can't I share? Shares. Hmm. Let's try to it. So this is good. Internet of Things. how it works. Okay. Okay, assignment 2, it's good. You have used the pictures. Okay, like these clip arts, you have given some. This is good. See, Aisha has used here there for different purpose. This is the cycle: egg, mass, tadpole, tadpole with legs, young frog, adult. How life cycle of frog. This is good. Those who have not done, at least copy the people who have done. I mean, practice while doing by seeing their others' assignment. Okay, those who have not done anything. Okay, let us see others. Some students have sent on women's education only the pictures. They should have sent the proper uh, proper document. Some people have done on Abul Kalam Azad. Some people have done on Gandhi. The format they use is very big. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, political enthusiastic. I will share this. I will share. This is done by one student, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji. Gandhi. Okay, they have some did any editing. What he was, okay, freedom fighter, Indian lawyer, and all those things. Good. Okay, keep it up. I have many. I will share the screen directly. I have many things I got. One student had sent their incomplete resume. Mohammad Furqan has sent just half. After computer skills, he couldn't do that. He has to do complete. Okay, and one student has done about Abul Kalam Azad. The missile they showed and text is coming in on that place. Just I will enter and it will go on the second page. This editing I did. Otherwise, it's good. Abul Kalam Azad, it's books he written by the books. It's good representation in the cell form. Very good. Keep it up. And let us see others. Alia Banu. This is assignment is by the Alia Banu. Okay, good. I told about the family tree. You have wrote about family values and all those things, about family nature and all. It's good. And I told to do by yourself. I think it looks somewhat copy paste. Hmm. Do somewhat by own. Okay, take and edit with yourself. This is good, by the way. Family tree of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I have seen earlier. It's okay. Sandeep Maheshwari. Someone has done about Sandeep Maheshwari. This is very good form. See the book form. Okay, the biography and career of Sandeep Maheshwari. And Arshia Salma assignment. On unemployment, it is also very good. I appreciate her work. Very good description. Unemployment. Second as well. This is very good description of smart art. She has showed in the receiver, sender, and all those communication channel, communication process she has used. Shapes, she used shapes, rectangular, and its description about tiger in the, from clip art. Okay, Indra Moi. She did about the businesswoman. some addition. That's good. Arshia Salma. Keep it up. Okay. Why I'm showing is that some people are not doing. Okay. This is, they can check the files from WhatsApp group and they can do. Okay. This is good. 5 cents of organs we have. All those things she did, editing and all those things, very good. Okay. In now today's class we will see some, we will learn something more. Okay.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
Yes.
सर वो 2 डेज से क्लास अटेंड नहीं करे सर, ये क्या करना है सर? असाइनमेंट.
You can check the assignment in the WhatsApp group, and
यस सर.
you can see the videos on Al Khair Society. It is uploaded. Okay.
यस.
It is 30-40 minutes video. You can see the 2 videos if you have not attended 2 days class.
यस सर.
Okay, I'm
Thank you.
just explaining now some new things on the MS Word. So we are discussing about the MS Word from 3 days, and I'm happy that some students are doing some good work. Okay, they are doing
Yes.
some good achievements here. Just it's not dummy like dummy people who are sitting here. It's not like them. They are doing some addition, and they are doing their works can be seen in the group. I'm happy and I will appreciate them that they are learning with me. So take new. So it's very okay. We have seen about the home. We have cut, paste, format, and insert. In the insert we have seen about table and picture, and yesterday it was this. I will explain charts in the MS Excel because it will be very helpful from editing from there. Okay, and we have seen many things, so we will see today about word art. Okay, first we will see, we have other things also. We have word art as well. So what is word art? Just click on this. We can give shape like this. Okay. So I will do some word art like this. Okay. So I will click one format. So I will write here Al Khair. I will do caps. Al Khair Society Golconda. I wrote this. Okay. And I will just do some italic if I want, and I can check the size of font, like I can take 40, and I did okay. So it is showing like this. So the word art is displayed in the different format. So again, if I want, I can change the font as well. Format word art. I can change font as well. So this is I got. Okay. I will check another one if possible. Yeah, taking this. So I will take this. I will write allow serve. Okay. Some italic and then okay. So my name appears like this. I can make it large as well. So this is how I am doing some editing. I can edit the text as well. Also, so I can write anything. Something I will write something. Okay. So it will get changed. Okay. And it is showing some effects as well. Here we can give some effects from upstairs. Something, and we can give shadow as well to the name. There's many things. This is one assignment for you. You have to do word art. Okay. Let us see the position. There is positioning also. So this is how you can edit. Okay. There's many things for editing. Okay. This is one. The first assignment is giving us word art and its editing. Okay. You have to show some different format in word art. Okay. So second thing is we have here, we will split the page. Okay. We will go for second page. So just break page. So it has came on 2 pages. So we will break again 1 page. Control Z, Control Z. So okay. Control Z. Let us check one blank page. No. It's okay doing on this page. Okay. Okay. We have header. We can give some title on the pages. We have footer as well. On the foot, we can give some title and we can give page number also. So in insert, we have the page number. So I will click on the page number. So I will take from the plane. I will take this one and page 1. Okay. The page 1. I think my voice is not that much audible. I will bring the mic in front of my mouth. We have given the page 1. So any pages we take, that will give numbering. It will give numbering. This is the page 1. Okay. So next thing we will see text box. We can insert some text box as we have seen in the other things. We can insert the text box. Okay. I will remove this. So this was about word art. So we have also another thing is watermark. See, this is on some pages you will see something is written. Okay. You can see some pages have written something. Do not copy like that on the internet and all those places you will see. That is by the watermark. So I will just do watermark. So on my page it is written do not copy. So do not copy is written. So on even this page it is appearing. So do not copy, it's appearing do not copy. So I can do by custom. I can say Rosser on the page. By custom. Oh. No, I can't hear you. So Rosser is written. I will check that who is asking. In chat, just I will enable them. They can pose a question. I can't see them. Please, who is asking the question? You can ask. in chat who asked the question. I can't see the chat box written something. Unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay, I will give later the time to ask the question. Okay. This was about some addition. Okay. It's written on the background Gauss, sir. Okay. Page 2 is given. See, we have chosen the pages also. So page 2 also given. So one thing I will show you here about the macro. Okay, first of all, I will remove the macro and I will tell you about the macro. Developer is showing. You have to go into the Microsoft button. Okay, start menu button. You at the save as, you have to go. Sorry, cancel. At the save as, on the extension. No, on the save as. Sorry, on the word. You have to go at the word options. You have to enable macro. It's already enabled. Okay, like this. You have to enable and okay. So what is macro? It's very important. Okay, it will do the work of many minutes, many hours in the seconds, in the minutes. It will do the work. It will run. Okay. One thing I will show you is, I will write some names. Sam. I will take the writing format large, little bit large. Sam, Tom, John, and we can give some name. Adam, David, Mark, and Joe. I have given some names here. Okay. What is macro? We will see on the developer. If we go, just we have to go on developer here from here. Okay. There is shown here record macro. Okay. So what I will do, I will write here bracket. I will do some bracket here. Okay.
बता दो मेरे को, ऐसा आता है मैं.
I will do here some bracket. Okay. So I want it to come on all the bracket. So it will come by just shortcut key. If I do the macro, enable the macro. Okay. So just see now. I will delete that. So record macro. Okay. I'm recording the macro. We have to give the name. So already it's there, macro 3. Okay. We will do by keyboard. Okay. Editing we will do by keyboard. So I will just enter keyboard, and we have to give new shortcut key. Okay. If anyone is not understanding, I will give another explanation as well. So they will do this. Okay. I will give shortcut key. I will give Shift Alt B. This is the shortcut key I have given. Okay. I will assign. Okay. And I will done close. I will do it close. Okay. And it is, there is here the cassette is showing. The olden days, the how cassette is to be looked with the cursor, it's showing. Okay. So this is the sign of macro. Macro is being recorded now. Okay. So I will say here.
Hello, sir.
Macro. I will give here bracket. Macro is being recorded. Okay. I can bracket. I will write student.
Option ये sir.
Student. Okay, I have stopped the macro. कोई सवाल पूछ रहे थे, क्या बोल रहे थे?
सर हमारे पास डेवलपर का नहीं है हमारी डेस्कटॉप में।
हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ कैसा लेना है वो। मैं अभी शुरू में बता भी था। हाउ टू एनेबल इट आई विल शो अगेन। ओके, सो मैक्रो डेवलप हो गया। मैक्रो के डेवलप रिकॉर्ड कर लिए अपन। वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड द मैक्रो। ओके, बट वन थिंग आई टोल्ड यू, वी हैव यूज्ड वन शॉर्टकट की। ओके, वो क्या था शॉर्टकट की? वी विल सी। ओके, just I will go again in front of the tab, any word I will just enter that shortcut key. Okay, shift plus control plus B। देखे, खाली एक एंटर मारते ही आ गया। फिर मैं जस्ट बैक जा रहा हूँ, नीचे आ रहा हूँ। shift control plus B। जस्ट शिफ्ट कंट्रोल प्लस बी, फिर से वही आ गया। फिर यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कंट्रोल प्लस बी। जस्ट इट्स टेकिंग बाय डिफॉल्ट। ओके, और एक बताता हूँ मैं मैक्रो रिकॉर्ड करने का। ये थोड़ा सा एडिटिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो गया। I will show another one. Again, I will show how to take the macro. Some student has asked me, they have no enable option on there. You have to go in this start, okay, office button. Okay, just this word option is there. Okay, this will be not enable. Show developer tab in the on the ribbon. Okay, so we have to click it and we have to just okay. So developer tab will be shown here. So record macro is the option given here. So we will check, we will do other. We will take some name, Samir, Kareem, Shafi, Khalil. We are taking some name. Okay, and one more name we will take Ross. Okay, so we have to record the macro. Okay, I will go here first, recording macro. So again we have to give keyboard and we have to give new shortcut key. That shortcut key is not already assigned on the MS Office. We have to assign new shortcut key, but that shortcut key was not assigned for any option in the before. Okay, we have to give such shortcut key. Shift plus O दे देता हूं मैं। Okay, assign कर दिया। I have done assign and close. Macro is recording. Okay, you can see the macro is being recorded. You can see small cassette with the cursor. Okay, so I will give here some. Let me wait. Stop macro. Record macro. I will give close. Okay, wait. I will put my option here. Okay, I'm starting from now. Record macro, macro 6. Shift plus T we will give. Okay, assign. Okay, so I will write my macro is being recorded now. I will write one bar, enter. I will give blank like this. Okay, so stop macro. क्या shortcut key दिया था मैं? Just shortcut key was shift plus alt plus T. I will plus. So सबके लिए वही आएगा। ये सही है, देखिए एंटर। सो शॉर्टकट की होता है, तो ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं अपन। वी कैन यूज लाइक दिस मैक्रो। ओके, सो वी हैव सीन मेनी थिंग्स टुडे. One thing, how to give.
Sir, what is the use of macro recorder?
We can do minutes. We can record macro, and we can do the editing of in the hours of time in the minutes, in the seconds we can do. So one thing we have seen how to give the number on page, and how to do word art and macro. For example, I have done here, and how to give the paper art in the background of the page. There is author is written. Okay, how you have to do this, and page number. So 3 or 2 assignments you have to do today. First thing, you have to give the page number. Okay, 1. Second, you have to give you have to do word art, and third, you have to do macro recording. Fourth, you have to do water art. Okay, these are the 4 assignments you have to do for next
Excuse me,
class.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Sir,
we should do all this in one file or another file, other
you can do
file.
in one file, or you can do separate, but it's good if you do in one file.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
perhaps there is no clip art in MS110. I could not find.
See here, clip art is there. Okay,
I could not find in window 10, MS110, 2010. Only there is smart art.
okay, if there is no art, we can't do, leave it. Okay, do other work. Okay,
I have done and I have sent assignments.
okay, okay. So I was saying to do this assignment, shapes and all those things. Okay, where these shapes are used and all those things. Some students have done. I'm happy. Okay, and other questions. If someone has other questions, they can ask.
हेलो सर, अस्सलाम
sir,
वालेकुम।
how to
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
सर ये क्या नाम है, वो बता दीजिए क्या नाम है, ये पेज नंबर 1 को, वो पेज नंबर सॉरी मैक्रो का वो बता दीजिए कहाँ से आएगा।
What?
मैक्रो का प्लीज एक बार बता दीजिए,
मैक्रो का
कहाँ से आएगा अपन ऑप्शन डेवलपर वाला।
See, here already there is option here as a start button. Okay, Windows.
Yes.
You have to click here. There's a word option. It will show us to enable. From here, show developer tab in the ribbon. The developer tab will get enabled. Here it is developer tab. You have to click on developer tab. You have to record macro. Okay. You have to select on keyboard. Okay. On selecting
Okay,
keyboard,
sir.
you have to give new shortcut key that is not assigned already to the MS Word. Okay. You give some
Yes.
shortcut key, and you just assign after giving shortcut key. For example, Shift plus L I have given, and I will assign. After assigning, I will just okay. Okay. There is your cassette is
Yes.
on. So I will do some editing based on that. I will then stop recording. Then I will just press that shortcut key. Then the macro will run.
ओके, थैंक यू सर, जज़ाकल्लाह।
You are welcome. So any other
Sir.
question, please?
sir, water art, sir.
Water art is very easy. I will show again. Just you have to go in insert. There's a word art. No, water art you showed. Okay, water art. Where is water art? Okay, on the page layout, you have to go for the watermark. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
click. There is some given confidential, do not copy, and all those things. You can do custom also.
Yes.
Okay, Gauss sir is there. Okay, I will write Gauss sir
Yes, sir.
Golconda. Okay, then I did apply. It's there. It's done. You can see on the pages Gauss sir Golconda. If I write anything also, it will appear. For example, I will write here some text. Why it has
Sir,
gone? I don't know.
teach us in Windows 10 because we and all the
So that's
students.
how it will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will show. Okay, this is the water art. You have to do in going in watermark. Do not copy. If I took, it will appear that one. I will show here. See, Hossar is there. Even I wrote some matter. It will appear on the back side of it. Okay, if anyone has other question, they can ask.
सर ये विंडो 10 में अगर क्लास हो तो मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा बेहतर होगा.
Can you speak louder? I can't hear you.
सर विंडो 10 में अगर क्लासेस चले तो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा विंडो 7 के मुकाबले में.
See, it is just basics. If you know anything from one version, you can apply in any other version. But in the Al Khair Society is providing you in the Windows 7. That is standard, I think. So you have to do in the Windows 7. Even in my laptop, I have Windows 12, but I don't have many other features like Windows 7 has. So Windows 7 is some kind of a standard. So you have to follow this. Okay. You are,
Okay.
if you have the other thing, you just mention that you have other one. I'm doing because of I have the Windows 10. You can say the in chat box or you can write in the exams. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt,
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
but there are many things which we can't find in Windows 10. For
Okay.
example, watermark I couldn't find here till now. I was searching since you have said it to me, and the developer thing also I couldn't find it. But I'm trying to figure out something, but it's not showing me that developer option and even the watermark option in the page layout.
You have gone into this button and search the word option and enable from here. I think you might get the developer.
Sorry,
I found
please come again.
I found watermark in window 10. I use window 10 and I found.
See, other student has found that. Miss Alia Banu can't find this, but you have to search.
Okay, I'll
And-
figure out something. But what about the watermark? I would like to ask. May the other person had got it in the Windows 10.
What is your question?
Watermark, sir. I couldn't find it in Windows 10 right now.
One student has found that you have to
I guess
find
it was only developer. He was talking about the developer, sir. I found the developer in the options, but I couldn't find the watermark in the page
Watermark
layout.
also
As you have,
watermark is also available in window 10. I have used it and saw it.
Okay, just on the WhatsApp group, show the way how you have found.
Inshallah,
Okay,
I
the
will
Windows 10 person. Okay,
Okay, inshallah.
I think this will help you for Alia Ban.
yeah, I would be glad if you do so. Thank you.
Okay, only 1 minute is left. I will show again how to enable the developer. You have to go at office button, word option. Here you just enter show developer option, enable, and okay. Here the developer will be visible to you.